Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chaitanya. Today I'm going to unbox the Sabat E12 Ultra Glitter series. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Sabat E12 Ultra earbuds are available on Amazon for Australian $120 or US $80. The price varies from seller to seller. So far, based on the price, I will leave the link in description below. Let's go ahead and unbox these earbuds from the box. The packaging looks promising. Let's see what there inside this box. This is the user manual and warranty information printed in English and Mandarin language. I have ordered the glitter dark one. As you guys can see from here, it comes in different colors and shades. In this box, they have included 6 different size ear tips, and I'm sure you can find the best one for your ears. These are the Sabat E12 Ultra earbuds, and this is the charging case for earbuds. I like charging case finishing. The case looks premium. On the hinge there is Sabat branding. The design is quite similar to Samsung Galaxy earbuds case. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and I'm sure they have used a magnet to secure earbuds. On this charging case there are 4 LED lights for charging indication, and over here you can see Type-C charging port, which is plus point. You can charge this case with wireless charger too. Look at the earbuds. The earbuds are very light in weight and looks classy. The calls and playback controls can easily be done by pressing the button. You can see left and right indicators over here. These earbuds are IPX5 water and sweat resistant. Let's see what else inside this box. Oh, there is one more box. Let's unbox it. Inside this box, there is one carrying pouch for charging case and the Type-C charging cable. The Sabat E12 Ultra packed with features. The company claims once fully charged, the earbuds can be used for 6 to 8 hours and case for 30 hours. 1 hour charging time for both the earbuds and the case. It has latest Bluetooth 5.0 and Qualcomm 3020 chip. It has button controls, also USB Type-C and wireless charging. It also has CVC8 noise cancelling and IPX5 water and sweat resistance. For last few days I have used these earbuds for indoor and outdoor activities. The earbuds are comfortable in the ear and it didn't drop off from the ear even I was running and jumping around the park. The audio quality was constant even at the noisy place. These earbuds are very good for watching videos, playing music and for phone calls. The Bluetooth connection is very strong and very little possibility of dropping off connection, all thanks to Qualcomm 3020 chipset. The noise cancellation works very well on these earbuds thanks to CVC8 noise cancelling technology and aptX audio decoding. The call quality is very good, loud and clear. These earbuds are bass heavy. If you love bass, then you might like these earbuds. For good bass effect, you have to use right ear tip. These earbuds are water and sweat resistant, so you don't have to worry any spillage or any moisture on the earbuds. But please do not take this into shower or into swimming pool, cause it will damage your earbuds. The function on the earbuds are very easy. You can do all controls from the physical button on both the earbuds. With the one tap, you can pause or play music or pick up or hang up calls. If you tap twice, then you can wake up Siri or Google Assistants. If you tap thrice on left earbud, you can decrease volume, or tap thrice on right earbud, you can increase the volume. However, you have to repeat this process to increase or decrease volume again, which is a bit annoying, and Sabat needs to work on the touch controls on the earbuds. Overall, Sabat E12 Ultra is very good product. I like the audio quality on the earbuds. They are very loud and clear, especially the bass on it. For the half price, if you are getting the Type C USB charger and wireless charger, these are the plus point to buying these earbuds. However, Sabat needs to improve on the plastic quality on the earbuds, and they have to tighten up the charging case lid. In case if they can get touch control on the earbuds, that's gonna be handy. Overall, I'm happy with the product. If you guys would like to buy the earbuds, you can buy it from the Amazon. I will provide the link in description below. This is all about the unboxing and the product review about Sabat E12 Ultra. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you again. Bye for now.